Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through setting up your Orbi Mesh Router RBK862SB step by step. Start by unboxing your Orbi router and satellite. Place the router near your modem and position the satellite halfway between the router and the area needing coverage. Next, connect your modem to the WAN port on the Orbi router using an Ethernet cable. Now, plug in the satellite and turn it on. It will help extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Wait a moment for the router LED to turn white, indicating it's powered on, and watch for the satellite LED to blink white as it connects. For an easy setup, download the Orbi app from the App Store or Google Play. You can also use a web browser to access http://orbilogin.com. Open the app, create an account, and connect to the default Orbi Wi-Fi network, usually named Orbi-router's MAC address. Follow the prompts to name your Wi-Fi network and set a password. To connect the satellite, press the sync button on both the router and the satellite until the satellite LED turns solid white. Connect a device to your new Wi-Fi network and check for internet access in various areas of your home. Finally, adjust any additional settings like parental controls or guest networks in the app as needed. And that's it. You're all set with your Orbi Mesh network. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.